I've been plowing for 29 years. My dad plowed for Great County Highways for 44 years, and I went with him all the chances I could get. I've been one of these things since I've been 4 years old. Typical day, we come into work over our piece of equipment, do our circle checks, and head out and do our route. During the holiday season and stuff, we just come in and do our route, make sure everybody's safe to drive on and travel on, and go home to our families, and usually the next day it's still stormless. We come back in the next day, do the same thing. We have our own set routes, but sometimes we have to kind of double up on things. Some roads, some are worse than others, just so we can get all the roads done so people can be safe to get to a point A to point B. While we're plowing, there's snowbanks occur, and there's piles of snow, and we know kids like to play in them, but just try your best to keep all your stuff back out of our way, like the toboggans, shovels. Keep your garbage bins and basketball nets, your cars especially as well. Keep them back in your driveways or off the roadway so we can do snow clearing and plowing correctly and efficiently and safely. Help with damage with the equipment, but other property as well. I think there's quite a few people that don't understand this because there's a lot going on in here. We're not just sitting behind the steering wheel. Lots of control. They're looking for where the wing is, where the plow is, our surroundings, different obstacles as well, like snowbanks. Sometimes snowbanks are protruding onto the road because we had a big snow event. Guardrails, mailboxes that go around them. Just keep your distance. Try to be smart. And we're here to do a job. Do not pass, because your passes, the road ahead of you is not treated. Just think twice and just keep your distance. I just enjoy this job. Just want to keep the roads safe for everybody to travel from point A to point B, and like my family and my friends travel them as well. So do our best of our ability to make them safe for people to travel on. At the end of the day, you know you did a good job, and you know that everything's safe, and you have a better mindset that you did a good job and everybody's safe out there.